The surprising benefits of eating 1 clove of garlic daily for a week. Garlic, the pungent superstar of the allium family, is more than just a kitchen staple. This small but mighty herb, packed with potent compounds like allicin, has been used for over 3,000 years as both a flavor enhancer and a natural remedy. Eating just 1 clove of garlic, about 3 to 5 grams, daily for a week can spark noticeable health improvements. Backed by science, here's what happens when you make garlic a daily habit, plus tips to incorporate it into your routine. What is garlic? Garlic, Allium sativum, a close relative of onions and leeks, hails from Central Asia. Its bulb, made of multiple cloves wrapped in papery skin, is a nutritional powerhouse. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, garlic is low in calories and rich in vitamins C, B6, folate, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, calcium. Its star player, allicin, forms when a clove is chopped or crushed, delivering many of its health benefits. What happens when you eat 1 clove of garlic daily for 7 days? Here's a look at the evidence-based benefits you might experience by eating 1 raw or lightly cooked garlic clove daily for a week. 1. Fewer colds and coughs. A 2014 study in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews followed 146 people over 3 months. Those taking a daily garlic supplement had fewer colds compared to the placebo group. While 1 clove may not match a supplement's dose, it can still support immunity thanks to allicin's antimicrobial properties. 2. Lower blood pressure. A 2014 study in integrated blood pressure control found that aged garlic extract reduced blood pressure in people with hypertension. Raw garlic may offer similar benefits due to its sulfur compounds, but more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness as a standalone treatment. 3. Improved cholesterol levels. Studies, like one in the Journal of Nutrition, show raw garlic's allicin may lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides in animals. Human studies are less conclusive, but a week of daily garlic may contribute to better heart health by reducing cholesterol oxidation. 4. Heart health boost. Garlic's cardioprotective properties may help prevent conditions like atherosclerosis and thrombosis. A nutrition journal review supports this link but notes that optimal forms, raw, cooked, or supplements, and dosages need further study. 1 clove daily is a safe starting point. 5. Reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Garlic's antioxidants, like allicin, may protect brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's, per a Libyan Journal of Medicine study, 2019. These findings are preliminary and based on animal research, so more human studies are needed. 6. Protection against heavy metal toxicity. A 2012 study in Basic and Clinical Pharmacology and Toxicology found garlic's sulfur compounds reduced lead levels in blood and tissues in humans and animals. 1 clove daily may support detoxification, especially in high-risk environments. 7. Wound healing. Garlic's antibacterial properties make it a natural remedy for minor wounds. Applying crushed garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, to an infected area may speed healing, but consult a doctor for serious infections. 8. Stronger bones. Garlic may support bone health by influencing estrogen levels in menopausal women, reducing osteoarthritis risk, according to a 2017 electronic physician study. It also lowers oxidative stress linked to osteoporosis. 9. Better digestion. Raw garlic can ease digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, or colitis by targeting harmful gut bacteria while sparing beneficial ones. Start with half a clove if you're sensitive to avoid irritation. 10. Balanced blood sugar. A Journal of Nutrition study suggests garlic may lower blood sugar levels, potentially aiding diabetes management. 1 clove daily could contribute to better glucose control. 11. Enhanced immunity. A 2012 study in the African Journal of Traditional, Complementary, and Alternative Medicines found garlic extracts boosted white blood cell counts in rats, hinting at immune-supporting effects in humans. 12. Eye health support. Garlic's selenium, vitamin C, and quercetin may reduce eye inflammation and support overall eye health, though direct evidence is limited. Other potential benefits. Garlic may also help with acne, when used topically with honey or turmeric, asthma, boiled cloves in milk, weight loss, by boosting metabolism, and preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, via antioxidants like phthalomyrcaptocystine. It may also combat urinary tract infections, hair loss, and bacterial infections like Helicobacter pylori. However, these benefits are less studied and require further research. How to use garlic. To maximize benefits, eat 1 raw or lightly cooked clove daily. Crush or chop a clove, let it sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin, and swallow with water or mix into salads. Cooked. Add minced garlic to soups, stir-fries, or sauces. Avoid overcooking to preserve active compounds. Topical. For wounds or acne, apply crushed garlic sparingly and rinse after 10 to 15 minutes to avoid skin irritation. Creative uses. Blend into smoothies, spreads, or homemade toothpaste for oral health. Word of caution. Garlic is safe for most people, but excessive intake, more than 2 to 3 cloves daily, may cause digestive upset or bad breath. It can interact with blood thinners like warfarin, so consult a doctor if you're on medication or have allergies. Avoid applying raw garlic to skin for too long to prevent irritation.